K, and I'm going to give you a little bit of how to use the Kiss Me Love Me lip pumper. And we're going to start out with a simple look at my lips. I have nothing on it. I'm going to do a little soft scrub on my lips. And then I'm going to take and wipe that off. Okay, now this is what it looks like. This is my Kiss Me Love Me Traci K Beauty Lip Pumpers. And this is what they look like. You have the kisses, and the kiss on the front, and the love on the back. Yay. And you're going to use it with the kiss in the front. So people, it's heart-shaped. This is the way it looks. And you're going to have to really work with these because you need to really adjust this to your lip, what you want. And you have to suck in gently. Don't overdo it. This is to work your lips out so they plump as time goes on, just like you would do any workout. So what I'm going to do is first you need to take it out of the package when you get it and when you buy it. Then you're going to wash it out. There you go. And then you're going to take and you're going to wet your lips. Make sure you wet them around. Most everything that you get, they give like always this crease. These don't. Okay, now make sure your lips are in the front. Okay, now if you want to use both hands, you can just use it on the side. But you're going to gently push in, form it around your lips so you're comfortable. And start sucking in gently. Squeeze it on the side until you're comfortable when it's around your lips. It's already starting to plump.